When you extrapolate the common denominator in any problem, it then becomes the basis for a solution. Life coaching brings a unique and unorthodox perspective to resolving an issue, dealing with a problem, or creating a solution for your client. Once you understand the issue for which your client seeks help and appreciate the impact it has on their personal and professional life, you'll become inspired and motivated by their determination to achieve a desired outcome. After you decide that you want to work with this client, you're going to apply your life coaching skills to deliver results. Start off by identifying solutions to the issues and challenges that your client is facing. In developing a coaching program for your client, you must consider 1. What solutions your coaching program will provide. 2. How will you develop these solutions? And 3. How will you implement these solutions? Every time one of your clients needs a solution to a specific problem or a path to a desired outcome, you will become an integral part of this process. Solutions that cannot be implemented are of no value. Don't offer your coaching with the promise of a solution if your coaching cannot provide that solution. Not only will you renege on your promise, but you will also risk being perceived as a fraud. And that's not the way to create trust, integrity, and respect within your niche. Until potential clients perceive you as the coach who can bring about a solution to a problem or achieve a desired outcome, you will continue to experience frustration and disappointment for not having enough clients and not making enough money. The value of your coaching is in the solutions that you bring for your clients. If you can't create the results your clients are looking for, you will continue to tread water in the murky pond of traditional coaching. Those coaches that are delivering results are reaping the rewards of satisfied clients who are paying high-end coaching fees, while the rest of the traditional coaches are huddled together in the middle of the pond, gasping for air. Based on the coachable moment you just watched, here's today's coaching challenge. What is the public perception of a coach who cannot deliver tangible results? Select one of the following answers. 1. Unreliable. 2. Fraud. 3. Unqualified. Or 4. All the above. The answer is number 4. All the above. Check out all my online training at personacoach.teachable.com.